So all I can say is keep achieving and always be majestic, the extraordinary Sir Tirso that is working beyond his comfort zone because he believes that great things await ahead beyond his comfort zone. I wish also to say that the years to come is still very wonderful with Donna, with your son, so that all together you will continue enjoying life with meaning. Again, Sir Tirso Adingku, happy birthday, and you're very lucky having Charles, having Donna, and all your family. Again and again, mapagpalang kaarawan sa'yo at sa'yo pa rin ang lahat. Thank you, Lord, for giving Tirso more years to celebrate. Congratulations and happy birthday.
Hello, Sir Tirso. Wala na akong masasabi because I know punong-puno na naman ang messages. So I want to be smart itong message ko. Ang sa akin lang is I join you in thanking the Lord for the gift of life and making use of you as salt and light into this world. Thank you, Sir Tirso, that I came na naging magkaibigan tayo, though we are medyo nagkalayo tayo ngayon, but I'm still your thoughtfulness, your humbleness, your service to the people is always instilled not only in my mind but also in my heart. Again, allow me to join you in thanking the Lord for the gift of life, for bestowing you blessings, and for being a blessings to the life of other people. And of course, our toughness is not measured without the trials in life. But in every trials we have, in every storm we encounter in our life, God is always there to comfort us, to give us courage, to give us wisdom in order to face every trials, every problem, every storm in our life. Again, happy birthday. God bless you and your family. Thank you, Ma'am Donna, for inviting me to have my message kay Sir Tirso. Sir, my snappiest salute to you. Happy birthday. God bless.
Binabati ko ng isang maligayang kaarawan na ang isa sa pinakamasipag na aking kababayang Apariano na nakilala ko, no other than Sir Tirso Tugagaw. Sir, maraming salamat sa isang matibay na pagkakaibigan at aasahan mo magtutulungan po tayo sa ating mga misyon sa edukasyon at para sa bayan. All I wish you is good health and more blessings to come. Happy birthday, Sir Tirso. God bless you.
Birthday, sir. Wish you all the best, especially your good health every day. God bless you more.
To the ever fertile and ever active principal of Simay Elementary School, Sir Tirso, kaya't nga kablaawan iti naragsak kasangay ken ikararag ko kiniapo nga magdaan ka pa iti biyag nga agnanayon. I would also want to thank you for your continuous support to the endeavors of the Commission on Election, and I am looking forward of working with you in this forthcoming future electoral exercises, particularly this midterm election. So again, Sir Tears, na nagsakakasangay, happy birthday, and I wish you all the best life could offer. Tanti auguri de buon cumpleaños. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Tirso. May God always provide you the most precious things in life: health, love, joy, peace, and prosperity. Stay happy, stay humble, stay kind. Continue to be a service of our fellow men. God bless you always. From 05 and Madam 5.
Hello, Kuya Tirso. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays and blessings to come for you and your family.
Happy birthday, sir! Magandang kaarawan po, sir! It's my honor to greet you on your special day. Binabati kita sa inyong espesyal na araw. Bye! Paalam!
Happy birthday, Sir Tirso! Enjoy your day. May all your wishes and dreams come true. Bye!
Sir Tirso, sir, happy birthday, sir. Always be simple, humble, and always be blessings to others, sir. I love you, sir. Sa lahat, palaging tumutulong sa mga nangangailangan. Again, sir, God bless po. Happy birthday, sir. Snappy salute.
Happy birthday, Sir Tirso. More 200,000 many more birthdays to come. God bless and ingat ka, sir.
Your hard work and dedication inspire all of us, sir. Take a break from your busy schedule and enjoy the moments on your birthday. Happy birthday, Sir Tirso, from our Police Station family. God bless.
Sir Tirso, kumusta? Alam ko hindi mo inaasahan itong pagbati ko sa iyo ngayong araw, but nevertheless, ipinaparating ko yung mainit na pagbati ng lahat-lahat ng partners natin sa CIS Cagayan, kabilang yung mga partners natin sa buong CIS Region 2, ng isang maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Katulad nung dati, ang wish namin para sa iyo ay bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng mas maraming lakas para mas marami kang matulungan ng mga kababayan natin, hindi lang sa bayan ng Apari kundi sa buong Cagayan, and sana bigyan ka pa niya ng more wealth para mas marami ka pang matulungan na nangangailangan. And on behalf of our partners sa CIS, happy birthday, partner. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Sir Tirso. Birthdays to come.
Makasta nga agaw nagkaya na mo anong. Of course, here's a birthday's greeting for you. Kafitami nga minagiddo ana minangufod ta magaru. May your special be filled with joy, love, and all the happiness in the world. Enjoy every moment and create beautiful memories to cherish forever. Happy birthday, Anong.
Happy birthday to my former super and handsome mentor, Sir Tirso Cagayan, whose influence has added a touch of YouTube to my journey on my learning. And sir, pabalo na nga mo kagaboko. Your day be as remarkable as yours, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 44th birthday, my bestie Tears. Dahil pareho tayong nagmula sa hirap at wala tayong capacity magpa-birthday ng bonggahan at hindi tayo nasanay sa mga magagarbong handaan, simpleng bati lang na tulad neto, sobrang saya na natin. Ganun tayong mga hampas lupa, di ba? Charot. Isang pagbati lang, tuwang-tuwa na tayo. Yan, ganyan lang tayo kasimple sa buhay. Walang kaartehan sa buhay, walang pretensions. Doon lang tayo sa totoo. Huwag tayong magpanggap. Yan, 44 ka ng Uncle Tears, kaya medyo ingat-ingat na sa kalusugan at hindi ka na bumabata. No kaya't mo pa'y makita apo kum titumeng ka ni Raven, please, know how to discipline yourself, know how to refuse invitations, know how to say no if you knew it would be detrimental to your well-being. I'll never get tired of reminding you these things. Napakaigsi lang na yun ng lifespan nating mga hampas lupa sa mundong ibabaw. Kaya always act according to God's will. Do what's pleasing to Him. Manatiling magpakababa, magpakumbaba. Ang pagtulong sa kapwa sa kahit pinakasimpleng pamamaraan ay likas sa atin yan, kaya ipagpatuloy mo yan habang buhay. Hindi ka man pala simba at paladasal, pero sa aktwal na pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay, nagsisilbi ka sa Panginoon sa pamamagitan ng pagtulong sa kapwa. Alam ng Diyos yan, siya nang bahalang magpuno sa iyong kakulangan sa taas. Ayan, sa dami ng organisasyong kinabibilangan mo, kulang na talaga ang oras mo at katawan upang hati-hatiin ang bawat oras mo. Basta't huwag mong kakalimutan ang iyong bread and butter, kung saan ka nakakakuha ng iyong kinabubuhay, ang DepEd syempre. Tears, you cannot please everybody nga kunada. Meron at merong mga hindi natutuwa sa'yo na nandyan ka. Isa na ako doon, charot lang. Basta ipagpatuloy mo lang ang pagiging mabuting tao. Ituloy mo lang ang paglalakbay sa buhay ng matuwid. Kung meron ka mang mga pagkukulang, ay ihingi mo ng patawad sa Panginoon yun. Bahala na si Lord magpuno sa mga kakulangan mo. Yan, enjoy your day, my honey bunchi. Love you always. Andito lang ako, ready to support you any time of the day. Love you. God bless. See you when I see you. Kasi lahat ng schedule mo ng buong August nasa seminar. Bye-bye.
Birthday, sir. Wish you good luck, good health, and God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Tirso. Adu man bunga jay kwan pagpurpurosan tayo di papas para mga rambutan kadalan sones. O intayon to managpurason. Miss banding with you. God bless.